birthday to me! It's August 18 today. Nandito kami ngayon sa Okada. We're gonna celebrate my birthday here. We're gonna have dinner with my family. Hey! First birthday with Benj!
Yay! Kasama si Mami. Nasa labas na siya ng
Sinao. So, ngayon, ikot muna kami. We're gonna wait for my whole family to arrive. As usual. Late. So, this is my look. Benj! Hi, my handsome boy. Oo, lakas. Benjamin! Kinalga ng lola. Hinahanap namin yung fountain. It's my first time here. Wow! Center. What I like about Okada are the pink accents. Ganda. Ganda. Diaper change. Check. The fam is here! Yung si Dad sa likod. Nanonood muna kami ng fountain show.
Parang ko pala design eh. Ito na si Peter. Ba't ayaw mo dumapa? Ayaw dumapa, o tingnan mo pati yung left.
Fountain, no bench, fountain. Let's watch the fountain. She is here. Tapos na yung fountain show. We're gonna eat now. Punta kami Las Flores. May kasama po tayong iika-ika. Gout is kicking. Thank you. After a long while, ngayon lang kami ulit kakain ng kumpleto because Ate Jess just arrived from US. Yan, galing siyang bangko. Change of plans. Lipat tayo ng kakainan. Kasi ang namili ng kakainan yung bisita, hindi yung may birthday. Thank you, Dad. Happy birthday, Chan. Love you.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Thank you. Love you.
Yay!
Let's eat. Dinner is over.
Thank you, Jam. Happy birthday.
Ay.
Bye.
Alisa sila! Bye! Happy birthday! Thanks for visiting the birthday girl and the baby!
the sky. I need you to shine the light.
You're agitating me. 100% hello everyone! Ngayon, we're gonna go to Pampanga again and again. We're gonna check in sa tambayan namin Seoul Hotel. Kaya sobrang nice kasi dun eh. We really love the ambience dun sa hotel na yun. Kaya pabalik-balik kami. And there's my baby. Benj! Hi! Buti naman, pupunta kami dun ngayon because this is gonna be like our birthday celebration ng kaming tatlo lang. And also, ano? Quick escape daw. And ayun, after din ng worship breakthrough, magpapahinga lang kami ng kakaunti para makapag-reset because on Monday, ngayon kasi is Thursday, so on Monday, magre-resume na ako ng operations para makapag take ng orders ulit. So before doing that, vacation muna tayo. We're here in Pampanga na. Look who just woke up. Hi! Ah, sige, okay. Laway na si Mami. Ayun si Daddy. Ulan. Here na. My little boss. Ay naku. Naku. Play na naman ang salaiba niya. Hi guys! So we're here na at Hotel Seoul and we got the Superior King room. It's good for 2 packs and I think hanggang 2 children pwede siya. Ang cons lang ng room na to is good for 1 person lang yung breakfast. So hindi na kami nag-avail ng another packs for the breakfast. Kasi hindi naman kami nagigising din madalas ng maaga to avail the breakfast. Given lang mahilig siya mag-breakfast sa mga hotels na natutuluyan niya for work. So here's my baby! Hi! Are you having fun? Having fun with your laway?
Ha? Gusto mo ba ata maglaro eh?
Hi guys! Good morning! Mommy duties muna tayo. I'm gonna wash my breast pump parts. Tapos, ligo.
So, for short trips like this, ganito yung dinadala kong panghugas ng bottles ni Benj. It's Tiny Buds, Quick Spray, Baby Bottle Cleanser. So, kahit wala na siyang brush, i-shake-shake mo lang siya sa mga bottles.
Swim today! Yay! So, it's our last day here at Seoul Hotel. And ngayon, it's 9:30 a.m. Breakfast muna kami, guys. Yay! Wait muna namin si Given. Kasi kinuha niya yung keycard and towels.
Our hearts are free, So tell me what's wrong with the feeling. I'm a flower, you're the bee. It's much older than you and me. I'm in love, I'm alive, I belong to the stars and sky. Let's forget who we are for one night. Without animals, baby, it's the people alive. I want real love, baby. Ooh, don't leave.
Gaming time! Good morning! Gaming time with Benj! Ayun guys, we're waiting for Daddy Given dito sa pool. Kinuha niya lang yung changing pad ni Benj and diaper para may extra siya. Taas na ng araw. Try nyo rin minsan dito sa Hotel Seoul. Very nice ang ambience. Tapos, very peaceful yung paligid. And what I love most about Hotel Seoul is their pool. Merong spa yung pool nila. Sarap sa katawan. Kaya balik kami ng balik dito. And pag lumabas ka ng Hotel Seoul, malapit lang siya sa SM, sa ibang pasyalan, pati yung malaking park dito, I forgot the name. About the rate, nasa 5 to 6K per night. Affordable naman siya. Sulit naman siya kung tatanungin nyo. Dahil ang ganda ng amenities nila, plus with breakfast na rin. So, ayun, try nyo dito. Na Benj. Hanggang lumaki ka, mabalik tayo dito. Kakambog na ang bebe.
Sabog mo na sa iba.
Smiling, oh. Natutulog. Alalayan mo kasi, di pa nakakasandal yan.
Mapasok.
Ay, naku, umiyak. Hello po.
Bench! Bench!
Enjoy ba yan?
Bench! Ay, sumusubo. Bench! Whee! Benjamin! Hello!
Benjamin's first week.
Angat na, angat, angat. Angat na.
Let's forget who we are for one night. Without animals, baby, it's the people alive. I want real love, baby. Ooh, don't leave me waiting. I got real love, baby. Wait until you taste me. I want real love, baby. There's a world inside me that we just use it, just it for a minute. I'm free. So tell me what's wrong with feeling. I'm a flower, you're the bee. It's much older than you. I'm in love. I belong to the stars and sky. Let's forget who we are for one night.
We're here at Cape Sinukuan. Dito siya banda sa Arayat, Pampanga. So, literally, nasa paanan kami ng bundok. Ganda ng view dito. My baby just woke up. Tayo.
dyan. Ngiti nga dyan, Ben. Ngiti nga dyan, Ben. Isang ngiti. Tatawa rin yun eh. Ngiti rin yun eh.
Aldereta. Hi, bebe! Walking around. Lakad-lakad muna dito sa Arayat. Baby, I love you. I love you. Oh, nakapants pa yan. Kamaong yan. Careful, mommy. So nice. Dinig na dinig yung mga manok.
Gotta say that you're sorry at the end of the night. Wake up in the morning.